Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make these peanut butter and oats sweet treats. They're no bake, they're quick to make, and they're very delicious. So let's get started. Start with some peanut butter. Any amount. This is probably approximately 3/4 of a cup. And I'm going to add some maple syrup, just a few tablespoons. And some vanilla, approximately a tablespoon. And I'm going to mix all that up. And then I'm going to add some rolled oats. Let's start with about 1/4 of a cup. And I can add a little bit more. And I put paper liners in my muffin cups just to make sure I'll be able to take them out easily. And I'm going to add about a heaping teaspoon in each cup and flatten it down. I'm going to go ahead and finish them. Now I've got some chocolate chips and I've placed them in a glass tumbler. I'm going to melt them in the microwave. You could melt them over hot water. And I'm going to add a little bit of coconut oil just to help them melt down. I'm just going to add about a teaspoon. If you don't have coconut oil, you could add some cooking oil. Okay, I have my chocolate all melted down. I melted it in the microwave. It took about 1.5 minutes at 30-second intervals. And I'm just going to pour about a teaspoonful over each one. Like that, and now into the freezer for about 20 minutes to half an hour. Okay, here they are. They've been in the freezer for about 20 minutes. And I'm just going to open one up. And there you go. Chocolate covered oat and peanut butter treats. Yum, so good.